Good morning, everyone. Today, I will be discussing a cutting-edge technology that holds significant promise in the fight against climate change: carbon capture and storage, commonly known as CCS. CCS stands for carbon dioxide capture and storage. It's a process where carbon dioxide emissions from industrial sources like factories and power plants are captured before they reach the atmosphere and then stored deep underground. This prevents CO2, a major greenhouse gas, from contributing to global warming. Recently, there has been substantial progress in CCS technology in Japan. On the 17th of May, the Japanese parliament passed the CCS business law, paving the way for the commercialization of this technology by around 2030. One of the forefront locations of this initiative is the Tomakomai CCS Demonstration Center in Hokkaido, Japan's first full-scale CCS experimental facility. Located near the coastline, about 60 kilometers south of Sapporo, this facility is run by the Japan CCS Company, which is funded by a consortium of power companies and oil refiners. Here, CO2 is captured from a nearby refinery and injected at pressures of 1,000 to 1,200 meters underground. Since its inception in the fiscal year 2016, the project has stored around 300,000 tons of CO2 by 2019. The facility has undergone rigorous testing to ensure safety and efficiency. For instance, during the 2018 Eastern Iburi earthquake, no CO2 leaks were detected, demonstrating the robustness of the storage method. There is also potential to store even large amounts of CO2 in the future. Despite its potential, CCS faces several hurdles. The setup costs for the Tomakomai facility alone have reached approximately 30 billion yen. With operational costs exceeding 10,000 yen per ton of CO2 captured and stored. Additionally, there are technical challenges in efficiently capturing and transporting CO2. Globally, countries like the United States have been researching CCS since the 1970s. As of last summer, around 400 CCS projects were in progress worldwide. In Japan, besides Tomakomai, the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry plans to support 5 key locations for CCS, aiming for practical implementation at 20 to 25 sites by 2050. Given that about 70% of Japan's electricity currently comes from thermal power and approximately 40% of Japan's CO2 emissions originate from these plants, CCS is vital. It offers a way to reduce emissions significantly without completely overhauling the existing energy infrastructure. With the increasing demand for electricity driven by the proliferation of AI technologies, reducing dependence on thermal power quickly is challenging. Therefore, CCS provides a pathway to move towards net zero emissions. In conclusion, while CCS is not without its challenges, it represents a crucial tool in our arsenal against climate change. By capturing and storing CO2 emissions, we can significantly mitigate the impact of our industrial activities on the planet. With continued investment and technological advancements, CCS could indeed become a cornerstone of global efforts to combat global warming. Thank you for listening.